In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your YouTube channel if you forgot your email and your password. Super easy and quick. You can do this on your mobile device or on desktop. Go to Google and you're going to type in can't sign in to Gmail. You can see right here, the top option. You're going to click the first option that shows up for you. It's support.google.com. Click in this. And here we go. If you want to look at the top of the screen, here is the entire URL in case you're interested. If you look down here a little bit below, it says can't sign into your Google account. Select your particular issue. So for our example, it's you forgot your username or the email address you used to sign in. Go ahead and click that option. Here are all the steps that you need to follow. We're going to click this one right here, username recovery tool. But before we do that, I want to troubleshoot some of these things for you. If you can't find your username, try other phone numbers or recovery email addresses you might have used. There might have been a typo in your username when you created the account. So try creating a new account with that username. If the username is still available, then your account's username has a typo in it. That is a very common problem when these accounts are created. Now let's move on up over to username recovery tool. It's going to ask you to enter your phone number or a recovery email, a different email that you use to find the Gmail account that you're looking for. And remember, your Gmail account is tied to your YouTube channel. Once you've entered that, go ahead and click next. It's going to ask you to enter your name associated with your Google account. So go ahead and do that. Next, a verification code is going to be sent to that recovery email address, and then you're going to get prompts to follow. Once you've gone into your email, go ahead and enter that recovery code. If you do not remember your recovery email address, that's where you would enter your phone number. If you do not remember the phone number, Google may ask you to enter an old password that you had used or time frame when you created the Google account. So there are several options available to you to help you recover your Gmail, your YouTube channel without the password and your email address. If you have any issues with that, let me know in that comments box below and I will do my best to help you. Click the video on screen now for some additional YouTube tips and tricks. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you, my friend, in the next one.